your refrigerator in the kitchen was not big enough. So let's put a refrigerator in the garage. We have room. Can we do that? Sure. But guess what? All of the outlets in your garage are normally hooked into a GFI or a GFCI outlet. So if there's too much on the circuit, which normally includes all your outside plugs also, or maybe it demands too much power, that circuit is designed to trip when it has too much of a load on it. But if it trips with your refrigerator, it's not going to be cold anymore. It's not going to keep your food cool. So, if you're thinking of having a refrigerator in the garage, check to see, is there an outlet that is not on the GFI circuit, or what do you need to be aware of so that it doesn't trip unexpectedly?